Hey guys, it's Core Ross, and today we're jumping to the Expanse universe to build the Rocinante. So we're going to 3D print it, we're going to construct it, and then we're going to paint it as well. And it's not going to look like the actual ship from the show when it comes to the paint job, because I'm not that good. But we're going to try and kind of have a generic looking vessel here, and hopefully it'll look freaking cool. So of course this was originally a Mars vessel in the show, but taken over by our heroes. And I think it's a pretty sweet design. And a very good one for 3D printing, especially because it's basically just one axis of construction. So it's quite simple to kind of come up with a nice 3D model, which someone has done. Link in the description below if you want to go try this yourself. Very simple to print and very well done. Also the inserts, you don't have to scale them down. They're like really good size for the construction. So very, very nice. Everything just goes together very seamlessly without any real work done. And as you can see here, this is it in its full construction, although not glued together just yet. But it's a good sized model at its default scale. It's really nice. Like, it feels like a toy. It's really, really cool. And I printed this out with lightning infill, so it's mostly hollow. And yeah, it looks really freaking good. So now glue it together and we have our completed vessel. Of course, we're going to go give it a paint job. But yeah, this thing looks really good. And I was very tempted not to touch it, because I thought it looks actually seriously cool like this, and maybe I don't really need to bother painting it at all, but I thought I gotta have to try. So I'm gonna go for a very simple paint job, just adding some silver to it and making it look a bit more spaceshipy, I guess. And yeah, that's it. There's not gonna be any major work to do any cool paint job, because I'm just not kind of qualified for that at all. But what we can do is hopefully make it look decent enough that at a distance it's going to look really cool to just, put your eyes on. And if you know the Expanse universe, hopefully you will identify it if you were to see this thing. So here she is with the paint job, and I masked up some certain areas to give it kind of a different shades. But yeah, that was it. And I think overall I'm pretty damn happy with it. Like I say, it looks like a toy, and I'm very happy with that. I think it looks and feels like a toy, which for some reason is giving me some nice warm feels. And yeah, it's definitely reminding me of the Expanse, and I miss the Expanse as well. It was a damn good show. It's a pity not to have it continuing. And yeah, I got an absolutely gorgeous ship, so very happy to have 3D printed it. And I'll leave you with some very nice high quality photos. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below.